How to create a Facebook business page. Creating a Facebook business page is a powerful way to connect with customers, build your brand, and grow your business online. To get started, log in to your personal Facebook account. This will be your administrative access point, but rest assured your personal information won't be linked publicly to your business page. Once logged in, locate the menu on the left side and click on Pages. Then select Create New Page. Begin by entering your business's name. Make sure it matches your brand exactly so customers can easily find you. Next, choose a category that best describes your business. This helps Facebook recommend your page to the right audience. Add a short description that highlights what makes your business unique. Keep it concise, clear, and informative. Next, upload a profile picture, ideally your company's logo, and a cover photo that captures the spirit of your brand. High-quality, visually appealing images make a strong first impression and help your page stand out. Adjust the images so they display correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. Once your visuals are set, click Create Page. After your page is live, you can add more details like your business's address, contact information, website, and hours of operation. The more information you provide, the easier it is for customers to reach you. Customize your page by adding a call to action button, such as Book Now, Shop Now, or Contact Us. This button encourages visitors to engage with your business directly. Start posting valuable content, share updates, photos, videos, and respond to comments to build relationships with your audience. Finally, invite your friends and existing customers to follow your page. Promote your page across your other channels and consider running Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. With consistent effort and quality content, your Facebook business page can become a vital tool for your business's success.